All right.
And you may have to just call your own numbers, but let's try and hit the start line as close together as possible.
All right, I'm
So
back.
everybody's
Can you guys
clock
hear me?
is
Do you
pretty
guys hear me
close.
now?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yeah.
I got time to take the call.
10 seconds.
Casey will take it to 1 minute, or to 30 seconds, sorry. Here we go.
Just try and get through this banner here pretty well. Same time as most everybody else. There you go.
All right, clock is started. I'm on the front. This is Casey to 30 seconds. CJ should be second wheel. Bobby, third wheel. Keeping that line. All right, CJ, start ramping. You're up. Bobby, you're on at 1 minute. Alex, 1:30.
Okay, I'm just going to try and get in between Alex and Matt.
10 seconds. All right, Bobby, you're on. Alex, 1:30. Ron, 2 minutes.
Got 3-4 guys.
It's closing.
Alex, you're on.
Yeah, ramping up.
Ron, 2 minutes. Matt, 2:30.
Everyone's zipping by me.
Yeah, we have to be careful when Alex is pulling.
10 seconds.
Ron ramping
All
up.
right, Ron's on. Matt, 2:30. Brian, 3 minutes. Looking good, guys. Good line. All right, Ron's off. Matt should be going on. Brian, second wheel. Casey, third wheel. Drop to the back, Ron. There you go. All right, and Brian, start ramping up. Casey, second wheel. CJ, third wheel.
Let me drop that a little bit.
Casey, 3:30. CJ, 4 minutes. Casey ramping. CJ, 4 minutes.
Can we spread out a little bit?
CJ ramping.
CJ's on. Bobby, 4:30. Second wheel. Alex, third wheel.
Trying to get up there.
Alex, we don't want to drop you, so if you need to skip a pull, just Yeah, stay in position and then let me know.
All right, Bobby, you should be ramping up. Bobby's on. Alex, second wheel, 5 minutes. Ron, 5:30. Little bump here. Push from the back.
Okay.
All right, Alex, 5 minutes. Alex, 5 minutes. There you go. Ron, 5:30. Matt, 6. Ramping up.
Easing off.
All right, Ron's on. 6 o'clock, Matt, 6:30. Brian. Nice line. Nice line, guys. Good and efficient riding. Matt, ramping up. Brian, second wheel. 6:30 for Brian. All right, Brian, you're ramping. Casey, second wheel at 7. CJ, 7:30. All right. Casey's ramping, 7 minutes. CJ, 7:30. Bobby, 8.
CJ ramping.
Little bump here, push from the back. Bobby, you're on second wheel. Bobby at 8. Bobby ramping up, moving to the front. Alex, second wheel, 8:30. Ron, 9 minutes. Looking good, everybody. All right, Alex, you're on. Don't crowd the front. Alex is on. Ron, 9 minutes. There we go. Way to line it out. Way to line it out. All right, Ron's ramping. Ron's on. Matt, 9:30. Brian, 10 minutes. Good job, Alex. One push, Alex, one push. Pull him up to us, Bobby. We're on the downhill. All right, sorry. Who's up?
No, Matt's on.
Matt's on, thank you. Brian, you're next at 10. Casey, 10:30. All right, Brian's on. Casey, second wheel. 10:30. CJ, 11 minutes. Casey ramping. Casey on. CJ, second wheel. Bobby, third wheel. All right, CJ, you're on. Bobby, 11:30.
CJ, you did right more smooth, man. You just take off.
I'm light. I concur. It's killing me. Oh, I also have the kicker direct connection. That might help.
Nice and smooth. There we go. Bobby ramping. Close that gap, Matt.
Yeah.
Let's see, Alex, 12 minutes. Ron, 12:30.
Alex, skip your turn because of the climb.
Ron, you're taking 12 minutes.
Yeah.
Ron's on the front, 12. Matt, 12:30. Brian, 13 minutes. All right, Matt, you're on.
Yeah.
Brian, 1:13. 13 minutes. Casey, 13:30.
That's it, Alex. Get in the middle.
All right, Brian's on. Casey, 13:30. CJ, 14. Little bump here, little bump. Stay tight. Push from the back. Casey ramping. Casey 13:30, CJ 14. Bobby 14:30.
Watch our back too.
Yep. Easy on the front.
Matt is back. Bobby's back.
One push. One push. We back, everybody?
Not quite. Come on, Bobby, up and over. No. You got this, Bobby.
CJ, you're on. I'm dropping back for Bobby a little bit. CJ, nice and easy to 15. CJ to 15.
Okay.
Skip and Bobby. Alex, take 15.
I got audio back.
Alex,
almost there,
15.
bud.
Alex, 15.
Hey, Alex, Brian, and Mac,
CJ, you go do yacht first.
spread it out and catch Chris.
Sit in the draft, Bobby. There you go. All right, Alex, 15. Alex, take the front.
Ramping up.
Ron, 15:30. We're all back. Alex, 15. Ron, 15:30.
Get on my wheel for your turn, Alex. Hey,
All
Mac,
right,
take
Ron's
over
on.
for Alex.
Dropping back.
Matt, 16 minutes. Brian, 16:30. Stay with us, Alex. Stay with us. Don't fall off. There we go. Little push. All right. Matt's on. Matt's on.
Come on, Bobby, Alex, get in front of me.
16:30 is Brian. Brian, you're on. Casey's on at 17. Stay tight in this downhill. Don't get left off the back.
Which one, Bobby?
Push, Alex. I'll push. Who else? Bobby? Casey's on. I'll take 1 minute. Casey to 18. CJ, can you do a minute after that?
Sure can.
All right. Casey to 18. CJ to 19. Got a nice flat section here. Let's regroup. Get some rest in the Peloton if you can. Ten seconds, CJ.
All right, bang.
Casey easing. CJ to 19. Bobby, do you want to skip or do you want to pull?
Skip.
Okay. Alex, skip or pull?
I guess I have to pull. Plus
All right.
distance I win.
Just work your way up to at 19 and be at the front.
Okay.
Don't worry about it right now, though. All right, 10 seconds till Alex. Then Ron at 19:30.
Easing.
Alex is on. Ron, 19:30. Matt, 20 minutes.
Great job, Alex.
Nice job, Alex. Ron, you're on. Matt, 20 minutes. Brian, 20-30. Nice pull, Ron. Nice pull. All right, Matt, you're on. Brian, second wheel. Brian, 20-30. Casey at 21. I'll take 1 minute again. CJ, you got another minute? All right, Brian, you're on. Brian's on. Casey, second wheel, 21. Casey, 21-22. DJ at 22. Casey ramping. CJ, do you have 1 minute or no?
Yes.
Okay. CJ, 22-23.
Gonna catch prologue soon.
Yep.
Alex, when you do catch prologue, you got to be rested because you have to gun it through that team.
Little kicker here. CJ, you're on the front.
Okay.
CJ for a minute. Everybody push up the hill a little bit. Get a breather, then we'll go through. Bobby, 22 or 23 minutes. Sorry. Bobby, 23 minutes.
I'll have to skip it.
All right, Alex, 23 minutes. Sorry. Ease off a bit, CJ. Alex, 23. Nice and easy. Hold up, guys. Bunch up so we can get everybody in a bunch before we go through. Ease up on the front.
Easy, Alex. Easy, easy.
Let's try to get him on the hill if we can. Everybody mob it for a little bit. Just stay in the mob. Come up to the front and get tight if you're in the back. We'll restart the pulls here in a little bit. All right, here comes the bottom of the hill. Let's start ramping up a little bit. CJ and Brian come to the front. All right, push through. We're getting into them. Push through, push through, push through. Push through the front, push through the front. We keep pushing, keep pushing. Come on, Bobby, one more push. Matt, drop back with me.
Yeah.
Yes, easy. And then press.
All right, Bobby, here we go.
Easy, Brian.
Stay on the wheel, Bobby.
You guys should just go kill it. I'll drop back with the other.
No,
Seriously.
you got it. Stay with us. We're all back together. Here we go. All right. Casey at 26. I got it now through 26:30. CJ 26:30. Ron 27. Oops. Sorry.
Thing.
CJ on the front. Ron second wheel. Not too much, CJ. There we go. Bobby, try to stay like fourth or fifth wheel. There you go, right in there. Ron 27. Matt 27:30. Ron's on. Come on, Bobby. One push. Matt, you're on. Matt's on. All right, Bobby, I think we've lost you.
Yep, go, go, go.
All right, here we go. Matt's on to 28. Brian, 28. Casey, 28:30. Brian ramping. CJ 29. Casey ramping.
Ramping.
Ron 29:30. Alex, I'm just gonna keep skipping you until you tell me otherwise. We got Ron next. CJ is up now. Ron 29:30. Alex, when you're ready, just let me know and I'll slot you back in the order regular.
Anything.
Ron, you're up. Ron's up, sorry. Matt, 30 minutes. All right, Matt's on. Brian, 30-30. All right, Brian, ramping up. Brian's on. Casey, 31. CJ, 31-30.
Alex, you've got this.
One little push, Alex. Stay in that third or fourth wheel. Nice. Nice. Casey ramping. Casey's on. Hard over the top. CJ, 31-30. Ron, 32.
One more bump, Alex.
Ramping.
CJ's on. Ron, second wheel. Easy, CJ, easy. Ron, 32. All right, Ron, you're on. Matt, 32-30. Looking good, guys, looking good. Matt, second wheel. There you go. Brian, there you go, third wheel. All right, Matt, you're on. Brian, second wheel. Oops, there we go. Brian at 33. Brian at 33. Brian's on. Casey at 33-30. CJ 34. Casey ramping. CJ 34. Ron 34-30. Little bump here.
CJ ramping.
CJ on. Ron, second wheel. 34-30. Ron, if you go through CJ on the downhill, that's fine. Just stay on the front.
Even.
Ron, you're on. Matt, 35. Brian, 35-30. Just cruising here, fellas. Get a break. Get a break. All right, Matt, you're on. Brian, 35-30. Matt's on. I didn't copy that. Say again. I still couldn't hear that. That's all right. Brian, you're on 35-30. Brian's on. Casey, 36. CJ, 36-30. Casey ramping. Casey's on. CJ, 36-30. Push back a little bit. Push on the back a little bit. All right, CJ, you're on.
Ramping.
We're on second wheel. Line it out. There we go. We're on 37. Matt, 37-30. All right, Ron. Ron's on. We're coming through fast, CJ.
Yeah.
Matt, you're on 37-30. Matt, you're on. Brian, 38. Nice work, Alex. Nice work. Brian, 38. Brian ramping. Brian on. Casey, second wheel. Doing really well, guys. Casey, 38-30. Casey ramping. CJ, second wheel.
Sorry.
It's all right. All right, CJ, your turn. CJ's on. Ron, 39-30. Matt, 40 minutes. All right, Ron, you're on. Matt, 40 minutes. Little bump here, guys. Little bump. Or no, never mind.
Yeah.
It is. Just kidding. It's dark. Messing with my brain. Matt, 40 minutes. You're on. Good push. Nice push, Alex. Brian, 40, 30. All right, Brian's on. Casey, 41. Oh. Ease up just a hair, Brian. Perfect. Push from the back a little bit, guys. All right, Casey's on to 42. Casey to 42. CJ, 42. CJ, 42, you're on. Casey easing. Ron, second wheel, 42-30. Matt, 43. Close that 2 to 3, Matt.
Yeah.
Ron, you're on. Matt, 43. Brian, 43-30. Perfect line, perfect line. 2 to 3 meters, perfect. 43. Matt, Brian, 43-30. Casey, 44. All right, Brian, you're on. Casey, 44. CJ, 44-30.
We got gaps forming.
Yep, easy on the front, Brian. Brian, take another 15. I'll take 44-15.
Okay.
45. Hey guys, we got a group right in front of us. They're going real slow. Let's get one big push here from the back. One big push from the back. We'll take them up this hill. Come on back, you got it. Easy, Brian. Back off of them. Get our guys. All right, push over the top, quick. Push through these guys, push hard. One push. One push, OTR, one push. Nice, Matt. Nice, Alex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we got everybody. CJ on the front till 46 if you can. CJ to 46. Line it out behind CJ. Ron, second wheel. Ron at 46. All right, Ron, ramping up. Nice pull, CJ. Matt, 46:30. Matt, second wheel. Brian, third wheel. Nice. How's everybody feeling?
Good.
Good. All right, Ron, you're off. Matt's on. Sorry, Matt's on. Ron to the back. Brian, 47. Brian ramping. Brian's on. Casey, second wheel. Casey, 47:30. CJ, 48. Nice steady pull, Brian. Nice steady pull. Casey ramping. CJ, 48. All right, CJ, you're on.
Easy, CJ.
We're good. We're all together.
I'm just thinking of this hill and then having to pass that tee.
Push up the hill again. That's where we got him. Mop it. Matt, 49. Matt to the front. Brian, 49:30. All right, push through. We got contact. Push through hard. Brian, you're on to 50. We have everybody through? Everybody on?
Yes.
Okay. Casey at 50. CJ 50-30. Casey ramping. Oh. CJ ramping.
Okay.
Ron, second wheel. Stay with him. Matt, third wheel. Ron, 51. Matt, 51-30. You got it, Alex. Stay with us. One little push, Alex.
Anything.
Where are we? Ron. Matt, second wheel. Matt, 51-30. All right, Matt ramping. Brian, 52. And if you're heavier to get to this hill, go down, get in the front. All right, Brian's on. Brian's on. Casey, second wheel. Roll through from the back. Push through from the back. There you go. Push through. Nice work, Alex. Nice work, Ron. Push through. 500 meters. If you feel good, get to the front. Washing machine. Hi, boy, Brian. Nice. Somebody get on Brian's wheel. 100 meters. Let's go. Push. Oh, nice work, fellas.
Oh. Ooh.
Passed a lot of teams.
Hey, good job. Ooh.
I thought it was 20. Now it was 2.8.
What was that, Matt?